Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nidhi Pandey. In today's class, we are going to discuss one topic. This is conflict resolutions. So in today's class, we are going to take one scenario and going to deal with same scenario in different ways. As you can see, I am attaching the situation here and I have book, so I am going to read it out from there. The scenario is what? There are two people, okay, Mohit and Yusuf, and they get the money for starting a business, right? And Mohit wants to start a coffee stand, okay, and second person is Yusuf, wanted to start a business of selling watches, right? So there are two people, they have different perspective, different opportunities they got to start the business, but they got money for them, okay? So there are five situations which we have to see it out. If you were there, please stop this video and go into the comment section and tell me if you would be that in place of them, what would you do? Okay, so let's go and comment section or drop your comment firstly. After that, see, there are five situations which differ from people to people, okay? If for example, in your family there are one discussion is going to happen, okay, and you would be the same person who can differ from your father, your mother, and they have their different thinking to get over from the conflict, and you have their own thinking to get over from the conflict. So it can be differ from people to people. It is not necessary that every person have their same thinking and same perspective to get over from the conflict, to get over from the thinkings, right? So see, there are five situations, okay, so we have to see it out if they can avoid the conflict. First situation is what, and you would do in many of the places, just avoid the situation, avoid the conflict, and avoid many of the things, just let them go, okay? So this can be the first situation. You can avoid the conflict and just rest on them, okay, you have to do, I just don't want to involve over there. So first situation can be Mohit and Yusuf just let the situation go and they just avoid the situation. First one can be this. Second one can be competing in the sense, you can say just to take one friend. I am attaching all the situations here. Take one friend and just to compete. They just wanted to get over from the things, like they want to compete from same person. Mohit wants to compete with Yusuf and Yusuf wants to compete with Mohit. There are no another situation. They just want to make defeat to second person. It can be the situation if in your same class there is one topper, okay? I'm just going to take example. Don't be take in on your heads only. So first thing is what, in your class is one topper, if in every class for sure. So in one, there are two toppers and they just wanted to defeat each and other. This is the situation. So competing is what, just to defeat somebody, okay, in front of you, whosoever is, do you want to just defeat over there, okay? And that situation can be compromising. They can compromising. Mohit can compromise, okay, you just do, I'll also just sell the watches, I don't want to just coffee stand, okay, I'm just compromising over the situation. It can be the situation, just you have your different thinking, different perception, and your family wanted something else, so you just compromise, okay, just okay, I'm okay with it also. I don't want to just I just only want to create shit, okay, just I'm okay with it, I just compromise over that. So third situation can be people can compromise. Fourth situation is what, accommodating. You can say, see, accommodating means hota hai help karna, helping. This is the situation. So okay, if you don't agree with the situation, you can just you just wanted to, okay, if Yusuf wants to okay sell watches, just I am helping over there, and Mohit also helps over there, only and nothing do. And last one is collaborating. Collaborating means do with each other, matlab together, okay? So collaborating in what situation, Mohit and Yusuf can both starts the same thing, and just help each other and just start like you can say Mohit sell their, Mohit opens their coffee stand, and Yusuf starts and selling watches. So both compromise that half of money and just to get over from the things and start their own businesses. So it can be the things 5 situations. So there are 5 situations that people needed to initiate over there. In our daily lives, we see one thing is what there are many of the shits in our lives, and you also know each and everything, you also know. Okay, so in our daily lives there are many of the shits which we are facing every day even. So we have to think and we have to be that much smart to, and a student also should smart enough to get over from the things, right? So in today's class, my motive was only to just to let you know also that you have to just deal situations from another's ways. We cannot stuck over a one thing, right? You have to deal with situation with different perspective, with different opportunities, with different thinking. My motive is to let you all know there are many problems in everyone's life. Okay, so you have to deal with the situation in very smart way, in very conservative way, and just to let them thinking. Okay, let your thinking on the, don't put your pressure over the things. My one motive is to just let you know all there are 5 situations which I deliver you in this situation. Yes, tomorrow we'll discuss second topic, and second is another topic. And in last class we have discussed about intonation. I for sure you did the chapter and you did class number 6 that was. And in today's class we discussed about what conflict resolution. So thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, please drop your comment and please drop your feedback as well. Thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope you like this video and it would be helpful for all of you. So please share this video to everyone. Thank you everyone.